Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Active Wow Teeth Whitening Kit, LED Light, 36 Carbamide Peroxide, Mint. Molds are easy to form, and the premium kit comes with all you'll need for a whole lot of treatments, hoping for 34 shades lighter. It's a great product, looks like don't have to go to dentist anymore for whitening. At first a bit strange to try to hold in mouth, but it is not huge, so not uncomfortable. Very practical and convenient. You pop it in your mouth, turn the light on, and go on about what you're doing. Note: while applying the whitening gel, make sure you take the syringe and twist the cap to open it. When molding the retainers to your teeth, you should put it in very hot water. The folded clear tray is to show why they include 3 trays instead of 2. The package came in as if it was store-bought, no damage, and sealed perfect upon arrival. The LED light unit doesn't sit very well against the rubber molds, and not sure how much that affects the whitening process. Now if you're worried about the quantity of the product, the kit has plenty of whitening gel to countless applications. There are so many out there to choose from, but this one really does what it's meant to do. It has a pleasant smell, and comes in a lip gloss type container with a clicker to raise the product. It all works together to whiten teeth, and you won't get the full effect by skipping out on some of it. At first the instructions were a tad overwhelming, but once you break it down it's super simple. Per instruction, put trays in hot water for 10 seconds only, but it got dish-shaped right away, and can't fix it, even before putting in mouth. While not horribly yellow, time and stains have made it time to try a little boost in whiteness. It is easy to apply, and only takes a few minutes to get fast results. Inserted molds to wilt, and get soft, facing down so the handle is up out of the water. By far the best kit available, and it saves you hundreds of dollars compared to going to your dentist for basically the same procedure, all in the comfort of your own home. The light also comes with batteries, so it is all ready to go when you receive it. Smile. All in all, this is a great purchase for easy at-home teeth whitening at a good price. Each paper has a set of instructions, and it's kind of like 3 steps with multiple parts to each step. Keeping them in your mouth is a little uncomfortable for 2030 minutes, but worth it. Stuff worked with bow sensitivity. The mouth trays were a little bulky, but overall it's fantastic. Little, but goes a long way. The taste is fresh without being super overpowering, and the LED light with trays is not at all uncomfortable. Easy to mold the tray to your mouth, although it is very hot during the process. The light makes the process faster, so you're not stuck with whitening gunk on your teeth forever. However, this teeth whitening kit addresses this concern by including a cooling serum that helps desensitize teeth and gums. They also include an LED light into the plastic mouthpiece, and wear the mouthpiece for 10 to 30 minutes for a better result. The light makes it a little awkward, but might be easier if you have a bigger mouth. Company is nice, and easy to work with. This is an amazing at-home product. Kit literally includes everything you need, and well thought out thorough instructions. Mouthguard was easy to form, and is comfortable to keep in for the recommended time. It comes with 3 mouth trays, 1 for the bottom, 1 for the top, 1 extra that form to your teeth. Basically a cheap product. You can buy advanced LED systems for the same price. Check it out on Google. On top of that, like other people have said, the solution is green, and not blue. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.